Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Lego Wall-E is probably one of the most iconic and beloved robots from Pixar's animated masterpiece, and this incredible Lego set brings the charming, trash-compacting automaton to life in stunning detail, capturing his unique personality and endearing features with an impressive number of bricks, making it a must-have for fans of the movie and Lego enthusiasts alike who appreciate intricate design and nostalgic appeal. Number 5. LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. Step back in time to the beloved Central Perk Cafe. This brick-built version is packed with authentic details, ready to spark hilarious memories from the classic TV show. Unbox a detailed cafe studio and bring your favorite characters to life. With Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, and Gunther, you can recreate unforgettable scenes. This 1,070-piece collectible offers a rewarding building experience for adults. It's the perfect gift for any fan of the show, whether you build solo or with loved ones. It's compatible with your existing LEGO collection. Mix and match bricks and characters to create your own unique stories and mash-up models. Standing over 4 inches high, this colorful set makes a big impression. It's perfect for displaying in any room or office, showcasing your love for the show. What we like. Relive your favorite moments from the iconic sitcom with this detailed replica. It comes with all the main characters and plenty of accessories for endless role-playing. If you are a die-hard Friends fan looking for a display piece that sparks joy and conversation, this is the set for you. What people say. The Wall-E set is incredibly detailed, capturing the character's iconic design perfectly. It features articulated limbs and opposable head, allowing for a wide range of dynamic display options. The build process is engaging and rewarding, with clever building techniques used throughout the set. Number 4. LEGO Star Wars The Razor Crest 75292. Embark on an epic building adventure with this detailed LEGO brick model of the Razor Crest starship, inspired by the Star Wars, The Mandalorian series. Assemble your favorite characters including the Mandalorian, Greef Karga, Scout Trooper, and the Child, along with an IG-11 droid figure. This starship boasts a dual minifigure cockpit, 2 spring-loaded shooters, and a detachable escape pod for thrilling play. Easily access the interior through opening side boarding ramps, revealing carbonite bounty elements and a cozy sleeping area. Recreate intense battles from the series with the included weapons, as they face off against the Scout Trooper and other adversaries. This collectible set is the perfect birthday present or any day gift for Star Wars fans, boys, and girls aged 10 and up. What we like. Embark on an epic journey with this detailed model of the Razor Crest. It includes exclusive minifigures and fun play features like a detachable escape pod. If you're a fan of The Mandalorian and love to recreate thrilling space battles, this set offers an immersive experience. What people say. This is a fantastic model of Wall-E, with great attention to detail. The build is challenging but rewarding, and the final product is very poseable. It includes many of Wall-E's signature features, like his extendable neck and tracks. Number 3. LEGO Marvel Infinity Gauntlet 76191. Recreate the legendary Infinity Gauntlet with this incredible LEGO set. It features a detailed brick recreation of the iconic glove, complete with the vibrant Infinity Stones. Capture the captivating style of Marvel's Avengers movies. This impressive homage features movable fingers and vibrant colors, creating a timeless display piece for any fan. The set includes a sturdy display stand with a descriptive tablet. It's designed to showcase the Golden Glove, making it a perfect addition to your collection. This building set for adults offers an iconic office or home decor piece. It's sure to be the center of attention and admired by all who see it. Looking for a great gift? This makes an excellent present for any model-making enthusiast, fan of the Avengers, or as a special treat for yourself. What we like. Channel the power of the universe with this stunning replica of the Infinity Gauntlet. Featuring vibrant colors and movable fingers, it's a true collector's item. If you're an adult Marvel fan seeking a striking display piece for your desk or shelf, this set is a powerful statement. What people say. The build is very sturdy and the final model is surprisingly large and detailed. Wally's head can rotate 360 degrees, and his arms have a good range of motion, allowing for many poses. The inclusion of the plant element and the caution sticker adds a nice touch of authenticity to the set. Number 2. LEGO Star Wars Millennium Falcon 75257 Building Set. Embark on an epic adventure with this incredible building set. Recreate your favorite scenes from the Rise of Skywalker with this detailed starship model. This model is ready for action with rotating turrets, spring-loaded shooters, and a lowering ramp. The opening cockpit is perfect for imaginative play. Explore the detailed interior, complete with a cargo area, navigation computer, and hidden compartments. It even includes a hyperdrive for added fun. Additional features include a couch, a Dejeric hologame table, and galley. You'll also find hyperdrive repair tools for even more play possibilities. Bring your adventures to life with 7 included minifigures and LEGO figures. Join Finn, Chewbacca, Lando Calrissian, C-3PO, Bulio, D-O, and R2-D2. With 1,351 pieces, this detailed model offers a rewarding building experience. It's the perfect addition to any Star Wars collection. What we like. Take command of the legendary Millennium Falcon with this incredibly detailed model. It boasts an impressive piece count, iconic characters, and a rich interior for endless adventures. If you're a Star Wars enthusiast who appreciates intricate details and beloved characters, this set is a must-have. What people say. The build is incredibly detailed and accurate to the movie character. It has a lot of moving parts, including articulated arms and a rotating head, which really brings Wally to life. The final model is surprisingly sturdy and looks fantastic on display. Number 1. LEGO Harry Potter Hogwarts Express 75955. Embark on a magical journey with this iconic train set. It features a removable side panel and roof, perfect for recreating your favorite scenes. Bring the wizarding world to life with beloved characters like Harry Potter, Ron Weasley, and Hermione Granger. It also includes other magical figures for endless adventures. With 801 pieces, this set offers a rewarding building experience. It's designed for young wizards and witches aged 8 to 14, as well as adult fans. This detailed replica of the Hogwarts Express measures over 18 inches long. It's a stunning centerpiece for any Harry Potter collection. Combine it with other LEGO sets for even more creative play. The possibilities are endless when you mix and match bricks from all original LEGO sets. What we like. All aboard for a magical adventure with the Hogwarts Express. This set includes the iconic train, platform 9 3/4, and beloved Harry Potter characters. If you're a fan of the wizarding world and love recreating iconic movie scenes, this train set will transport you straight to Hogwarts. What people say. The Wally set is a fantastic representation of the character, with intricate details that capture his personality. The build process is engaging and rewarding, resulting in a sturdy and posable model. It features articulated limbs and a rotating head, allowing for a wide range of dynamic poses. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.